Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove this mirror switch, I'll take a flat blade screwdriver, just go in here, just pry out, just like that. And with the connector right here, you push down on the lock and disconnect the connector. To reinstall the mirror switch, we're going to connect the electrical connector right there, like that, and then we'll just push it right in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.